Can I come in? I know exactly what you're going through.
Well, not unless you came in here to tell me you're Vixen.
You didn't, right?
Busted.
No. I'm kidding.
It's not funny.
I'm sorry. No, I'm not Vixen or Supergirl. Just Mom. And you're right. I can't know what you're going through. But I can be here for you, and I am. So when you're ready to talk, you know where to find me, okay? Hey. I love you.
What is it?
This. Ben's Corp.
What about them?
Well, look, you see, they're making monthly payments to Onshore Inc. You see that?
Yes.
Wait, Dad, there was a check from Ben's Corp made out to Grandpa in his files.
Are you sure?
Positive. And I only remember because it wasn't a small amount of money. And the name of the corporation was circled, and GTC was written in big letters on the check. What?
Okay, well, instead of saying, gotcha, my father would say GTC. I don't know, he thought it was funny. Okay, so Ben's Corp, whatever it is, tried to bribe your grandfather to kill the story about what they were doing to the people in Freeland. But the check was the corporation he wanted to run his story.
All right, so what now?
Well, we need to find out about who was behind incorporating Ben's Corp. Those records are public. Should be filed here with the state.
All right, I'll be back.
We're close.
Yep.
I need to know who made a directed energy weapon that mimics the powers of black lightning and could frame him.
Peter, what did you give me?
In Africa, they refer to the black mamba venom as the kiss of death. You just got a neck full of it. Now, I happen to have some antivenom right here. So it seems that I have something you want, you have something I want.
I have a family.
Me too. Hey, it's a fast-acting poison, man. We ain't got all day.
I only have a name.
Write it down. And how to find him. Follow the instructions. You'll be fine. My best to your family.
You're the one who said it wasn't safe to use our superhero look. So I improvised.
Yeah, I just don't know about this.
You look great. Relax.